So ku-1.3, ku-1.2, ku-1.2, ane. So we are given a statement laphayana you can say with optimization or something, yeah, but the radius of a right circular cylinder is increasing at a rate of 3.3 to the power of negative 3 millimeters to the power of -1. Ngamanye amagama, this thing it can be written as 3 times 10 to the power -3 4 loya millimeters multiplied by 10 to the power of -1. Ngamanye amagama sinobani? Sino 3 times 10 to the power of -4 for ubani u-3 in the ulon, and the height is decreasing at a rate of 2.5. So which means laphayana sizoba nobani no 2.5 no okay, so bathe lelo, which means sizoba no change in r here, sibe no change in height laphaya, because this is the change of ilona height and the change of radius. So in this case, we mean laphayana, since sizoyenza the same thing laphaya, sizoba no times 10 to the power of -4 nakhona, because to the power of -1. Then bathi calculate the rate at which, remember bathi i-rate bachaza ukuthini, kumele si-differentiate lapho optimization yana wise. So bese kuzoba nobani, bathi calculate the rate at which the volume of the cylinder is changing when the radius, remember thini, the radius is equals to 30 millimeters. Bese bathi the height is equals to 45 millimeters. Mawubheka lapha i-statement laphaya, kunayinto le ebalulekile abayisho laphaya, bathe laphayana it is increasing, which means we keep this value as ubani, positive. Bese bathi lapha is decreasing, which means we keep this value as ubani, u-negative, which means laphaya masi-substitute leya value uzoba ubani, uzoba u-negative 2.5 times 10 to the power -4. But times 10 to the power -4, we're no longer using times 10 to the power -4, because yonke lama SI units lawa laphaya awubani, millimeters, which means change in r wethu kuzoba ubani, u-3 times 10 to the power of -1, and change in h wethu kuzoba ubani, -2.5 times 10 to the power of -1, lapha. So lena kuzobe kuyini, i-data yethu lezobe siyisebenzisa laphaya, since we have amalona wethu. So in this case they gave us i-hint, it was volume is equals to pi r squared h kanje. So this is our hint, which means asisekho isidingo sokuthi uzoyochremana nama-formula or udinga i-formula ozoyisebenzisa, but nayo bakwenzeni, bakuphile yona, bakuphile yona. So which means you will use it ukuthi wenzeni, u-calculate this part, since still lento le iseseyini, and still mangase uyabheka lapha, this thing seseyini, i-perimeter, because we have 3 unknown, which means zoba ulon r pi r squared all over h. We have 1, 2 and 3. So we are going to differentiate v lapha i-volume yethu in respect to u-r and u-h laphaya. But first kuzomele senze abani, the perimeter of v in respect to u-y, u-r laphaya, which means masilona sizoyenza i-power rule. Remember mangithe ama-perimeter mangabe ulona differentiate in respect, which means this part le kuzoba yini, i-constant leya ka-h, which means zoba i-constant. Ngamanye amagama sizoyenza i-power rule lapha yaka-2 yaka-r squared, which means soba no-r pi, soba no-2 pi r h kanje. This is our differential for ini i-radius, which means sofuna manje i-rate for ubani, i-height, bese so mas-differentiate i-height laphayana sinolona uyi-1, which means soba no-pi r squared. Le yini ama-rate lawo lona. So iformula esizoyisebenzisa, remember le formula ithi change in V is equals to the rate of irradius multiplied by the change of irradius plus the rate of plus the rate of height multiplied by the change in height, which sizoba nobani laphayana, sizoba no-2 pi r square, no not squared, r h multiplied by u-change in r. Le nto le engiyifaka laphaya ile yiphi? Ile engiyifaka laphaya for u-change in r, siyasubstitute laphaya plus u-pi r squared multiplied by u-changing in h. So mase substitute laphayana uzoba nobani, no-2 pi multiply by u-30 loya multiply by loya h loya kuzoba ubani, u-45 multiply by u-r loyana kuzoba ubani, u-3 times 10 to the power of u-1 plus u-pi u-r wethu ubani, u-30 squared multiply by ubani, u-h la, which means uzoba u-2.5 times 10 to the power of u-1. So mase siwuphuncha le nto yonke lapha ku-calculator, I think isingiphunche la. So mase siwuyiphuncha lapha izokunika bani, u-360 pi, but wena you can even convert it uzoba 1130, kuzoba 1130.973 millimeters, then you are done kanje, you are done.